Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ARCCAPTAIN brand, their auto darkening welding helmet with side view, two side view windows. We're going to show 180 degrees panoramic view, 111/1 true color large viewing welding hood with 4 arc sensor, solar powered and battery powered, wide shade 4/599 up to 13 for TIG, MIG, and arc and grinding and welding. Has a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer, which is amazing. It gets excellent customer ratings. This is the model LYG-800J. Comes in this really nice holder so that you can keep it dust free, and it comes with extra batteries. The batteries, I'm going to show you where they go, that come with it are ready to use. They will last about 3 to 5 years depending on how much welding you do. It has an extra plate that goes on the inside and 2 outside extra plates that wrap around right here, and a really nicely written instruction manual telling you how to use the product. So what's really nice about this is not only does it have a really cool pattern that you see on there, but if you look closely here, it has solar banks inside there. If you look, I'll put an extra light there. See those little solar banks on the top and on the bottom. There is also additional optical sensors in there. So what this thing does is it responds in a millionth of a second for the arc or whatever you're doing, and it senses that and it darkens the screen right there. Really, really nice durable material on here. So one side you can see this is the control for the headpiece, and these are the bolts that remove the front plexiglass panel. You have a grind position, and then you have weld position, and cutting is in the middle, and you have a level of the shade on here, and that's how dark it's going to be once it gets triggered. When you're in the grind mode, the weld mode, this will allow you to adjust the light. In the grind mode, you want to make sure that you don't arc weld or TIG or MIG weld because it's not dark enough. You want to be in the weld. And then if you look at the other side right here, it has the other side adjustment. It locks the headgear, and then you have a minimum and maximum sensitivity. That is how much light will trigger the darkening of the screen. Then you have a delay. So if you have fast, it means that when you're done welding, how long will this thing stay dark? And I like to keep it on low because sometimes you have some glowing ambers that are really bright with ultraviolet light. So slow, it means that once the arc is complete, this will slowly come back to room light and remove the darkening on there. Very nice. Now, I love the headgear on here. The first time I put it on, this thing cradled my head perfectly, and then these adjustments right here will determine how much this, or how easy this moves up and down. This is the tension of the width of your head. Very, very nice. And then if you look on the inside right here, I'm going to put some additional lighting in here. There is the plexiglass piece inside there. There is a test button on the upper right hand corner. I don't know if I can properly show that. There is a test button inside there and a LED light that comes on letting you know that it's time to change the batteries. The batteries have little capsules. You can see right there. There's one there, and then there's one on the other side right there. So it's very nice. If I were to put that light there, you could see the light right through there. So there is the test button, and you see that delay for when it comes back. So I can adjust, if I want to, the shade. So let's increase that right here, and then I'll go and hit the test button again. So it's totally dark. Now if I were to go into the grind mode and drop this down like that, then you'll notice that it's not fully dark, because when you're grinding you want to be able to see what you're doing. So you have a lot of control. Always make sure that you test the test button and that the LED is not on telling you to change the batteries. But really, really, really nice. I'm going to show you, oh, before I forget, it has the side windows right there. You can see they are tinted right there. See how they're tinted, and that is what is on each side to allow you to essentially see a panoramic view. So I'm going to show you, I welded with this, tested it thoroughly, and I'm impressed. It worked really quite amazing. It was comfortable. I tried all the different settings and did some grinding, but I'm going to show you some welding that I did with it. So after testing, what do I think about the ARCCAPTAIN, their auto-darkening welding helmet? I love this product. Fast responding, oversized screen, side openings with a tint on there, and full control of sensitivity, delay, and shade amount, and for working for welding or grinding, and full adjustments on the headpiece, and that really high quality holder, keeping this thing dust free in your shop. So I'm impressed with the quality of this product. It works really well. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.